Hi everybody, Levi Clay here, back again for another daily transcription, and today we are revisiting not only a player that we've looked at before, but also a track that we've looked at before, and that's Guthrie Govan playing Flatlands with the Aristocrats. This is a live take of the song, and I thought it would be fun to look at this because, well, I love listening to Guthrie play over this particular track because it's so slow, and he really has to outline those chord changes on it, and it's really nice to compare two different improvisations, so you can really see that this is just improvisation. There's no thread of commonality between these two things. It's a fantastic take, really nice chords: C major, E minor 7, C major, E minor 7, F major 7, F minor 6 to B flat 9, so you get a bit of melodic minor at the end there. If you enjoy this, hit that subscribe button, and also maybe consider checking me out on Patreon, where you can download hundreds of these transcriptions that I post here on YouTube for you, link in the description. Anyway, the amazing Guthrie Govan playing Flatlands. I'm on vacation now, so I'll see you in a couple of days. Much love, goodbye.